Hello, my name is Nicholas. Today, what I want to talk about is something that I have been saying for so long. I'm going straight to it, and that is as a freelancer who builds software projects for clients. That's what we do. Uh, this whole AI thing, I'm getting a lot of people reaching out to me directly, asking me, how do I get clients? How do I get businesses to pay me? How do I get customers? Because there are rarely customers these days as a freelancer that are actually willing to pay you a good amount for your project. Now, I've been seeing this trend happening for a very long time, for like 3, 4 years ago, right? And I keep always saying the question is wrong. The question should not be how you should get more clients or how you should get more customers. The question should be which products can I build that is going to be valuable to people, that people are willing to pay for it. That should be the question, because you have a skill that most people do not have, which is you have the ability to build software products, websites or apps, whatever it is, as long as it is software. You have that ability. So I feel like if you limit your ability as a freelancer to just building software products for clients, you are actually going to be on the losing side, right? The best thing to do is to build products that you can sell to people, your own product, and look at it in a way that if clients come, fine. If clients do not come, fine. You are no longer pressured to have to deal with clients, right? If you are worried about finance, I keep saying it, as long as you are trustworthy, you can link up with a friend of yours that have finances and you guys can build it together. There is no point trying to go out there looking for clients with the way AI is moving left, right, and center, right? So a time would come where people would be able to build their own sites, build their own things, host it, and do everything with. In fact, that time is already here. I know there are some things that I do for people earlier on, 2022, 2021, that now most of these clients will just build it by themselves. They don't even have to actually interact with me, right? So what I'm essentially trying to say is this. Um Focus your energy in thinking on what you can build that can help people and they'll be willing to pay for it. It doesn't even need to be limited to just Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, it doesn't need to be limited to Africa. It doesn't need to be limited to a particular region. You just need to build it, put it out there, run ads on it, promote it, and figure out how you can scale it from there. These are the things I wish people actually even told me earlier on. If you ask me, I even started late with this, right? But that is the main thing. Build your own product. There is no longer time. There is no time to be waiting for clients or waiting for people to hire you to build a product for them. It's not a strategy that will stay for a long time. Intelligence is getting cheaper every day. What we do as programmers is turning into things that are no longer unique. I could remember there was a time writing SQL statements used to be a pain for me personally. It may not be a pain for you, but for me personally, writing complicated SQL statements, those SQL statements that have like three selects in one statement, have inner join, outer join, union. I don't enjoy doing any of those things, right? Now, that can be done in seconds. Like I don't even need to crack my head about writing SQL statements. I don't need to, no matter how complicated the database is, AI can do it in such a beautiful way and give you the exact results that you want. That alone is enough to tell you that it is no longer a matter of intelligence, because before that used to be, it took a lot of compute to properly write a very, very complicated SQL statement, right? And it for it to run successfully. Now you don't need that. So what does that tell you? Intelligence is getting cheaper. every single day. Is getting cheaper, and it would reach zero at some point, and there'll be no need for it, right? So focus on building your own products, focus on finding your own customers, and focus on working for your own self and having a team if you want to. I think that is the next step for us as freelancers. We are not meant to be focusing all our energy on looking for clients that will hire us for a project. That is not a long lasting strategy, and I've been saying this for so long. Thank you very much, and bye bye.